Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna lures. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need sturdy lure bodies, sharp hooks, and strong leader line. Always choose components designed for saltwater use to ensure your lures last many fishing trips. Make sure you have all your tools, like pliers and crimpers, ready before you begin. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable, setting you up for success on the water. Now let's assemble your lure. Begin by attaching your leader line to the lure body. You can use a strong knot, like a uni knot, or a reliable crimp for a secure connection. Next, thread any desired beads or skirts onto the leader. These add visual appeal and movement. Finally, securely fasten your chosen hook to the very end of the leader line, ensuring it is ready for action. Achieving the right weight and action is crucial for an effective tuna lure. Incorporate appropriate weights to help your lure reach the desired diving depths, whether it's shallow or deep. Position these weights strategically to ensure the lure has an enticing, natural swimming action in the water. Always test your finished lure in a bucket or shallow area to confirm it performs exactly as you intend. Finally, let's talk about customization and some helpful tips. Experiment with various color patterns to mimic the local baitfish, which can significantly increase your chances of a strike. Vary your lure sizes, perhaps from 3 inches to 8 inches, to effectively target different tuna species. Always store your finished lures properly in a tackle box to prevent damage and frustrating tangles, keeping them ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.